in this video, and it's really a response to a question I got a while back, and that, can you build your own GhostBSD? You can. Maybe I'll do it in another video, but I just want to show you that you can build GhostBSD with the possibility and intention that you could customize it yourself. The process is not difficult, but I'm just showing you how to build a vanilla version, as it were. Right, the first thing we need to do is install git transmission-cli and rsync. I've already installed those, and next we need to load the kernel module Linux 64, which again is already done. Yours might not be, so you might need to do it. Then we need to add something to the rc.conf, to the kld_list section, and that's the Linux 64 module that we've just loaded in, so it's available next time if we reboot the system. Next, we git clone the GhostBSD repository, specifically the GhostBSD build repository. And once that's done, we'll go into the newly created directory, GhostBSD-build, and just list it. We can see what's there, and the file that we need is build.sh. And if we issue a command like, say for instance, we wanted to build us on with a custom desktop, say cinnamon, we'll put build.sh-d cinnamon, and you'll get an error, because it's not available by default. I might put this in another video, I might look into it, how to do it, but it says please create a package file named cinnamon and place it under packages. So I think you can put your stuff in there and it would build it and then assemble an ISO for you. But cinnamon's not available, and it shows you what's available at the top is Mate_OEM, which we don't want, test, and XFCE. So really officially GhostBSD does Mate and XFCE. So in this instance, we're just going to /build.sh-d mate, or we could put XFCE, whichever you want, or KDE. Like before, KDE is not available, but I did do a video where I showed you it was easy to install KDE in GhostBSD, so yeah, we don't need to do that. So we're just going to put Mate, and it's going to download a whole ton of stuff, which I'll fast forward as it's assembling your ISO of GhostBSD. Right, so that's done, and it's created the ISO file, but not in the directory we were. Instead, it's put it in the user local GhostBSD build ISO directory. So if you're looking for it and you can't find it, that's where it is. And from here, we can burn it to a USB stick or load it into VirtualBox, and it's just a normal GhostBSD ISO. But like I say, the whole point is this: is if you wanted to build or add additions to it before you build it, this is how you would do it. People more skilled than I would be able to do it. So if we load the image up we've just created into VirtualBox, everything should be as per normal, and there's the ISO file, and it's in the user local GhostBSD build directory. There it is. Again, it's just a perfectly normal ISO, but like I say, if you wanted to make any changes to the scripts, or you wanted to add a custom desktop before you install, this is how you could do it. As long as you don't make your own spin of GhostBSD as well. And there we go. It should start up. There you go. There's GhostBSD. Perfectly normal and working fine. Yeah. So, I mean, thanks to the tools available from Eric and the team at GhostBSD, building your own GhostBSD spin should be relatively easy. He says relatively. So if really you do want to see a KDE version, start one up, have a word with Eric and the team, say that you want to make a new community spin, and create it yourself. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.